It is the missing link. Oh, look at these beautiful babies. These, see that little gapple-bee right there? Supposed to be better, or supposed to work with these big old springs on this bad boy. So that's what it's supposed to do. Everybody's wanting to know, Justin, did we get it together yet?
Mostly.
What are we doing now?
We're pulling the head back off since we did some piston to valve clearance. We're going to check out our little Play-Doh and see how we're looking.
Taking everything back apart after we got it together. So we finally got the roller rockers. I showed you guys those already. Roller rockers came in, so now we're taking the head back off to check the things and stuff with the stuff in the, you know.
And the stuff.
Make sure we've got enough clearance. And not even a mark in it, is there?
Not even a mark.
Are you serious? Not even close? Yeah. So that means what? 1:7 ratio roller rockers?
1/7s or 1/8s, depending.
We're not even close, bud. Like, look at that. Here, let's bring it up to the top. That's crazy. I thought we'd have a look at the Play-Doh's. The cylinder was sealed. That good.
Is it still good?
Oh yeah, the Play-Doh's like not even hard.
Weak.
Yeah, touch it. It's still soft. Touch it. It's still soft. I promise.
Ooh, gooey.
Right? Look at that. Let me get a bird's eye view over here. Not even a nick. Didn't even kiss it. Well, maybe on this one right here. Look, you can see a little line. Right there. Come, yeah, get on that angle.
Yeah, but that could have been you pressing it in there too.
It could have been.
Nothing substantial that we have to worry about.
Not at all. No, we can get. So the difference, Justin, for the people watching, is the 1:6 ratios gives us 0.948 inches of lift, and the 1:7 ratios give us 1.01 inches of lift. Significant? No,
it's always significant, but
I don't know. We're going to go with that for now because time is a-ticking. So for the haters out there and for the lovers out there, look at this. This piece of crap got itself on a beer can. Are you kidding me? How the hell did we do that? Pretty cool. Also pretty cool, while Justin's torquing that down like the animal he is, check this out. I've got me 50 extra labels. And if you check out my Etsy, I'll put a link down below. I'm going to sell these labels. It's $10 for a label. And I also have laser cut aluminum back plates that I ordered for these. It'll be $10 to add that on there. $5 handling fee, and then shipping to wherever you're at. 50 of them. That's it. So cool. So now that we realize that we have great amounts of piston to valve clearance, probably going to go with the 1.7 rockers. It's an amazing thing. I'm really excited. What are you going to?
140. And before I do my sequence, I'm sure there's going to be somebody, because there always is. Well, you didn't torque it in the right sequence. Look, I've built enough motors that as long as you do an even sequence from the center out, you're just fine.
You're just fine. You hear that? Oh, that one looks way more fun than the 105. I think it's fun. It's fitting you're wearing your Muscle Milk shirt today. So while I wait on getting the parts for the engine, while I wait on the oil pan, we're going to work on these transmissions. So this is what's next. We've got first gear assembly right there. That's got to replace that guy. And then we've got old counter shaft, new counter shaft. So we'll have to get bearings pressed onto this, and I have those now. So we get bearings pressed onto this shaft. We get all of these gears pulled off so we can replace first gear, and then we'll get that put on. It's a process. 40 days left to race week, yay! Coming together. Justin's helping with some emery cloth on the back part where the rear main seal goes in. We've got to check that. We're going to take one from Old Faithful down there. Oh, that's Justin's crotch. There's Old Faithful. We're going to take that rear main seal and just double check. We've got a new one coming. Well, I just finished bearings on the counter shaft with my handy press, and man, it's a mess in here. Look at that.